Beautiful only. Right. So now once you're submitting, once you call span, it means that columns ని మెచ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతకుమించి ఏం లేదు. అయితే రెండు కాలమ్స్ ని ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ నెంబర్ స్టూడెంట్ అడ్రస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో 2 కాలమ్స్ ని మెచ్ చేసి నేను ఒకటే కాలంగా చూపించాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అందుకే కాల్ స్పాన్ 2 అని పెట్టాను. అయితే బై డిఫాల్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఉంటుంది. ఐ వాంట్ టు మేక్ మై ది సబ్మిట్ బటన్ ఇన్ సెంటర్. సో అలైన్ సెంటర్. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? Right. So once you're submitting, action should be performed, right? Form, then action. Then here you can try to specify the URL name. So what is the URL you can try to specify? So servlet name, sir. Servlet URL name. I can say register. That's it. This is my URL. Okay, let me write the server. Servlet. Where you write the servlet?
Main
Java file. Right. Right click on this. New class. So conduct edit controller. Right. So what is the name of this? I can say login registration servlet. Servlet. So browse, then you can extend, madam, generic servlet or whatever maybe you like. Just you can try to go for that. No issues. I'll start writing HTTP servlet, guys. Already we learned. Right. HTTP servlet. So HTTP servlet, I told you very clearly, it's not provide any implementation, not required a mandatory. If you want, you can try to write service method. Are you understand? Please.
Yes.
Right. So even you can try to write do get method directly, sir. Do get method. So here you can try to write HTTP servlet request. HTTP servlet response. Why we are writing do get method? Sir, do get method, it means that HTTP specification level by the form level by default method is get, madam. By default method is get. So we have total 8 methods: get, post, put, delete, trace, options. So HTTP protocol, the people is implemented do duplex methods. So in the form level, if you are using get method, you can use here do get. Otherwise service method directly, no issues. If you're using post, yes, we can try to use post. So what is the difference between get and post? I'll talk later, sir, please. Are you clear? Now, let's try to get the data from the form. Okay, request dot, just now explaining method. If fixed ninka, get parameter. Then you can try to write, what is the parameter name? Student number. Right, then any data comes to your application, it comes in string format. I want to convert what format? Integer format. Are you clear? Please. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, name. Address. Response dot. Why we are using get writer, response or get writer? See, throws an exception, guys. Let's try to habituate to write the try and catch block. Beautiful, right, ma'am? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
మజా ఉంటుందండి అప్లికేషన్ రాస్తుంటే. ఎస్, నేను అనిపించిందా మీకు శివ వచ్చుంటే బాగుంది క్లాస్ కానీ కదా అనిపించిందా? రెస్ట్ ఇస్తున్నారు హాయిగా. రైట్, స్టూడెంట్ నెంబర్ ఏమ్మా? Right. Look at now. Beautiful. So we are printing on browser window. Next print చేస్తున్నా, browser print చేస్తున్నా. Database store చేయట్లేదు ఇప్పుడు. First I'll understand like this. Later I'll try to go for browser window. So one thing, madam, you should be learn one point. What is the point, man? Tell me, please. So once, so what is the point, ma'am? Please. Come on, guys. What is the point? So once we write a servlet, we should be configured, madam. Where we can try to configure? In web.xml, right? The configuration is very important, otherwise you not understand. See, we type servlets. Next, reg, you can give any name. This is a logical name, servlet name. So what I'm giving here now, servlet class. What is the class we given? Registration servlet, huh? Right, registration servlet. Now finish. Next, servlet mapping to map the servlet. Yes. What is the servlet name? Reg. Then register. That's it. Finish. So this is the way you can try to specify, ma'am. Look at now. So yes, we can try to configure. We can configure registration servlet in the application development. Right. Sir, which page you want to see to render as a first page? Student.html, madam. If when I start my application, when I deploy my application in the container, I want to see to display student.html to render HTML. Which page you want to render as the first page? For a page you can configure. For the page you can try to configure welcome file list tag. In welcome file list tag, yes, you can try to specify student.html. Welcome file list tag. Here you can try to use welcome file. Here you can write the student.html. Are you understand, ma'am, please? అంటే ఏ పేజ్ మీకు ఫస్ట్ గా డిస్ప్లే కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ పేజ్ ని యూ కెన్ ట్రై టు కాన్ఫిగర్ ఇన్ ద వెల్కమ్ ఫైల్ లిస్ట్ ట్యాగ్. This servlet configuration you did like this. Sir, no, Shiva, I don't want like this. I want to use annotate. If you want, you can make a simplification. We can use annotation, ma'am. I'm commenting this one. Right. We are using a comment like this. No issues. In the first name. Look at now. Shiva, show me that. Why not? So in the servlet level, madam, you can use like at the rate of web servlet, madam. Annotation, web servlet. Here you can try to at the rate of web servlet. Then now tell me what is the URL name? Register. So simplify yes, registr register. How to configure servlet. So if you are using annotation, we can avoid configuring in web.xml file. Let me run this application then. Right. Let me run it. Run as, run on server. Trend number, just Indica, 100. Shiva, okay. Hyderabad, right. Press here. See now? Beautiful. Whenever you're submitting, the data is appearing on the browser window, madam. Because of get method. In the form level, we specified get method. Once you submitted, action performed, the data is appear on the browser window. This is a parameter name, string number, and it is a value. Using a parameter name, we can get the value. The values you can display on the browser window. Are you clear, everyone? Please. Beautiful. చెప్పండి అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. Can I use the table format here? Why not? So we can embed HTML page. Make embedded చేయొచ్చు. Embedded అంటే add చేయటం. We can try to add HTML tags in our servlet. Okay. Let me add it then. So table. So here you can try to specify what? TR. Table row. Table header. TH. So table. Okay, I'll write down. Table just be open, sir. I want header format, sir. pw.println. So if you want header format, what I can do it? Th table row, th header format, th table heading. Now here you can write student number. Th. Next, Right. Like this, you can try to specify what student name, student address, like this, student name, student address, and close row. Is it clear, ma? Are you clear, please, everyone? Address, table, student number, student name, student address, like this, table row. So what about next one, please? Everyone, what about next one? So heading into but now he data కావాలి కదా. So let me try to open here one more value, madam. TR, table row, TD, right? So here TD, then just I'm writing like this. So in column, just you can write like this, ma. Here you can try to close again value TD. Are you clear? Yes, I'm opening one more column TD. Then here you can try to write what? Close TD. Student address. What is student address, please? Then TD, student address. Student address. So student number, student name, student number, student name, student address. Table definition, TD. Then TD. Okay. Next. So this is how. Are you clear now? Please look like beautiful. Yes. So one thing, by default, when you send a data to a browser, the data goes on text format, madam. But HTML tags we're adding. In this case, you can use set content type. What is that? Set content type. Okay. Using set content type, yes, we can try to set the HTML format. Okay. Res dot set content type. Sorry, content type, I hope. Yeah. Just I think response dot set content type. Yes. Content length, content type. Yes. Text HTML format like this. So your data will goes in text format on HTML format, ma'am. This is what I'm expecting. If you do any small changes here, the changes will be reflected. Look at now. Yes. Let's go in the beautiful sir here. Enter name, address. See, adding is printing, but this table structure is not coming. Where are they? There. Looking on. Okay, you see that I the problem right. I hope you understand now, please. Yes. So if you want, you can try to add like this a beautiful way of writing, sir. Nothing is there. Right. This is the way you can try to capture the data. I hope it's clear now, please. Everyone. Student.html page. Okay, not specified label. So this is the way you can try to write the form, and once you submit, beautiful ways as possible, you can write a beautiful manner. Once you're submitting, then data comes here, then yes, you can try to perform it. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. Right.